Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to get cheap car insurance in the UK. Car insurance is something that every driver needs as it protects you and others from financial consequences of accidents, thefts, fire, or vandalism. The average cost of car insurance in the UK in 2023 was £692, and it is expected to increase by 5% in 2024. That's why I've done some research and found some tips and tricks to help you save money on your car insurance. These tips and tricks are based on my own experience as well as the advice of experts and other drivers. By following these tips and tricks, you can potentially save hundreds of pounds on your car insurance every year. So let's get started. The first tip is to choose a cheaper car. One of the easiest ways to save money on your car insurance is to choose a cheaper car. The model you drive will have a big impact on your premiums as different cars are assigned to different insurance groups based on factors such as performance, safety, security, and repair costs. The lower the insurance group, the lower the premium. So before you buy a car, make sure you check its insurance group. You can do this online by using websites such as Parker's or by asking your dealer or insurer. Ideally, you want to choose a car in the insurance group 1, 2, or 3 as these are the cheapest to insure. Some examples of cars with low insurance groups are the Volkswagen Polo and the Hyundai i10. These are small, economical, and reliable cars that are easy to drive and maintain. They also have good safety features and low CO2 emissions, which can further reduce your insurance costs. So if you want to have cheaper car insurance, consider choosing a cheaper car in a lower insurance group. You might have to compromise on some aspects such as speed, space, or style, but you will save a lot of money in the long run. Tip number 2 is to compare quotes. Another way to save money on your car insurance is to compare quotes from different insurers. You can do this online by using comparison websites. By comparing quotes, you can find the best deal for your needs and your budget. However, before you compare quotes, you need to know what type of car insurance you want. There are 3 main types of car insurance in the UK: third party fire and theft, and comprehensive. Third party insurance is the minimum level of cover required by law. It covers the damage you cause to other people's property or injuries you cause to other people in an accident. However, it does not cover any damage to your own car or any injuries you suffer. Third party fire and theft insurance is similar to third party insurance, but it also covers your car if it is stolen or damaged by fire. Comprehensive insurance is the highest level of cover available. It covers everything that third-party fire and theft insurance covers, plus any damage to your own car or any injuries you suffer regardless of who is at fault. The type of insurance you choose depends on your personal preference, your driving history, and the value of your car. Generally, third-party insurance is the cheapest option, but it also offers the least protection. Comprehensive insurance is the most expensive option, but it also offers the most protection. Third-party fire and theft is somewhere in between. Some drivers think that third-party insurance is the best way to save money, but it's not always the case. Some insurers charge more money for third-party insurance than for comprehensive insurance because they assume that drivers who choose third-party insurance are more likely to make a claim or drive recklessly. Therefore, it's always worth comparing quotes for all types of car insurance to find the best deal. Some examples of comparison websites that you can use are moneysupermarket.com or confused.com. Tip 3 is to increase your excess. Another way to save money on your car insurance is to increase the excess. The excess is the amount of money that you pay in the event of a claim before the insurer pays the rest. By agreeing to a higher excess, you can lower your premium as you're taking on more risk and responsibility. However, make sure you can afford to pay the excess if you need to make a claim. You don't want to end up in a situation where you have to pay more than you can afford or where you have to avoid making a claim because you have a high excess. The amount of excess you can choose depends on your insurance and your own policy. Some insurers have a compulsory excess, which is the minimum amount you have to pay, and a voluntary excess, which is the extra amount you choose to pay. The higher the voluntary excess, the lower the premium. Tip 4 is to pay annually. You can save money on your car insurance by paying in one lump sum rather than in monthly installments. This is because some insurers charge interest fees for spreading the cost of your insurance over the year, which can add up significantly. For example, if your annual premium is £800 and you pay it in 12 monthly installments of £66.67, you might end up paying an extra £100 in interest or fees, making your total cost £900. However, if you pay your premium all in one go, you can avoid these extra charges and save £100. However, if you can't afford to pay your premium up front, you can still save money by using a 0% interest credit card or a low interest loan to pay for your insurance. This way, you can pay off your balance over time without paying any interest or fees as long as you meet the minimum requirements and clear the debt before the 0% period ends. Tip number 5 is to drive safely. The final way to save money on your car insurance is to drive safely. Your driving record and behavior can affect your insurance premium. as insurers will reward you for being safe and responsible. On the other hand, if you have a history of accidents, claims, or convictions, your premium will go up as you are considered a high-risk driver. Therefore, it's important to avoid speeding, drink driving, or using your phone while driving, as these can result in penalties, fines, or bans. Not only are these actions dangerous and illegal, but they can also increase your insurance costs by up to 25%. Moreover, if you have more than 12 penalty points on your license, you can be disqualified for driving for at least 6 months, which can affect your employment and lifestyle. Another way to drive safely and save money is to consider taking an advanced driving course such as Pass Plus. This is a practical training course that takes 6 hours and covers driving in different conditions. By taking this course, you can improve your skills and confidence, as well as reduce your risk of accidents and claims. Some insurers offer discounts of up to 15% for drivers who have completed Pass Plus. So those were 5 tips and tricks to get you cheaper car insurance in the UK. By following these tips and tricks, you can potentially save hundreds of pounds on your car insurance every year and enjoy driving without worrying about the costs. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Thanks for watching.